All right, so let's talk about plastic. When it gets old, it breaks. You have things like this happen. Because it gets brittle, it dries out, and just not as durable as it was when it was new. How do you fix something like this instead of having to go out and source a 36-year-old part? What do? The answer is actually very simple. This is what you'll need. Right here, that's it. It's basically a soldering iron, but it's shaped like this. And it works very, very well in melting plastic. We'll also need ABS plastic sticks. You can buy them in packs of 10, 20, 30, whatever. And the super glue is actually only for just gluing the leather back around the plastic after we fix it. But yeah, what are we waiting for? Let's just get right into fixing this right here. So before you start working on the plastic, you'll need a couple of things. You'll need a microfiber towel, and you'll need some sort of cleaner. I have here breaking parts cleaner. Get your things that you're working with clean first before you melt anything, because there's dirt in there. It'll just weaken the structure of the plastic after it's all done. So just make sure it's clean. Solid piece of plastic that is 36 years old. Doesn't flex, it's not gonna crack, and it's gonna be good for years to come. But then you have pieces like this that just completely come off. Again, you can fix it using the same technique. I forgot how bad this is gonna smell and how bad this is gonna actually be for you. So wear a mask, because all these fumes are you just gonna be breathing all of it in, and it's not good for you. It's basically burnt plastic that you're breathing. Not good. Wear a mask, protect yourself. It's that simple. Listen to this. This is the plastic we just fixed. It is not gonna go anywhere. It is super solid. And then we just super glued the leather back onto the edges. And it's also not going anywhere. I've tested this on a part I've done last year. And it held up super well over the year, basically. Oh my God, the super glue is just oozing everywhere, bro. Alright, so I just fixed all the broken plastics that I had in the car. I fixed that part right here. It was cracked around the curve. And I fixed this, which is the door sill. It was cracked from right here and right on the other corner there. And you can see right here, it has all been fixed and it's super sturdy now. Like it won't crack anytime soon again. And I finished painting the door handle or the door armrest and the door sill pieces that go onto right here. And painted this. Painted door handles. It might not seem like much, but it's 3 in the morning and it was a lot of work just getting those plastic pieces all fixed and painting everything else, right? So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and actually learned how to fix broken plastics. And that goes for anything, any plastics that you have that might have broken. Just get a soldering iron and it will actually do the job just fine. You don't even actually need voice crack. Hello there. But you don't actually need the ABS plastic rods. you can just simply weld them together. It might not look the best, but it will do the job if you ever get some, like an important plastic piece that you can't find a replacement for, fixed very easily and quickly. Because I could have bought, oh, I also fixed this too, which was the most important thing, because I could not find this part anywhere. Like, from far away, you can't tell it's broken, but when you get up close, yeah, I'll try to figure out a way to make this look less terrible. I could even cover it up with carpet, make the carpet kind of come up all the way, but I don't know, we'll see. I'm probably just gonna keep it like this for now. But yeah, that is it for today. If you guys enjoyed the video, just go down there and smash that subscribe button and hit the like, because it does really help out the channel a lot. And in the next video, I'm actually gonna be putting everything back in the interior and actually wrapping up the Corvette, so it is ready to go, because it's been a long time coming, and honestly, I just can't wait to get it on the road. So anyway, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.